Welcome back to part 3 of the Amazon FBA Beginner Series. My name is Garrett. I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller, so if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing the business model called online arbitrage. And essentially how this business model works, it's pretty much the same concept as retail arbitrage, except we're taking that methodology online. So what we're doing is we're looking on different websites, maybe it's Walmart, maybe it's Target.com, and we're looking for those arbitrage opportunities where, we can go buy a product for one price and sell it for a higher price on Amazon. The really cool thing about this business model is if you live kind of farther out in the country, or maybe you have a full-time job where you can't really go out to the stores, you have kids to take care of, you can actually practice this business model from home on your laptop while you're watching the kids, whatever it might be. It's totally location independent, so you can go, you can be doing this on vacation, you can be doing it at your house, but it doesn't actually require you to get up, drive to a store, and go scan product. And the really cool thing about this business model is there's actually a bunch of softwares out there that will actually go and scan websites for profitable products, right? It has you input a set of rules. Maybe you're looking for a 30% return on investment. Maybe you're looking for a $4 plus profit. Whatever you set your rules as, it'll actually go and scan these websites and find profitable products for you. So that really becomes a pretty cool part of the process. And this really just makes this whole thing really scalable, right? Because if you learn how to run these softwares profitably, you can actually be running about 10 different websites at once. You can go and set your searches, run these websites, scan them for profitable products while you're sleeping, wake up in the morning, go through all the results, and pick which products you actually want to purchase to flip on Amazon. Another thing really cool about this business model is there's tons of opportunity online to find discount codes, discounted gift cards from like Raise.com, or I forget all the discount gift card websites, but you can actually really start to get a lot of very profitable products if you know how to do this properly. If you know how to go to a store, find good deals on products, and then go ahead and find more, maybe it's a 20% off coupon, a 10% off coupon, maybe it's a buy one, get one $20 off. Whatever it might be, there's tons of different promotions always going on, and most of the time you can always find at least some sort of an extra discount code for these websites. So if you're someone who's already like a couponer, is very good at shopping online for deals, this is going to be right up your alley, because along with it being super scalable, it's from your home, there's softwares out there to help you find these products. If you're good at going out there and finding different discounts and stacking them together to get these products for even cheaper, you're just going to be that much farther ahead of the curve of people doing it in store, so on and so forth. Another cool way to do this is if you don't want to wait for these products to get shipped to your house, a lot of people I know actually will, go, instead of going out to the stores and they might head to certain Walmarts just going to look for stuff, you can actually go online and find these products online, order them for pickup, right? So you're not wasting time driving to 10 different Walmarts a day and not finding, a lot of profitable products. You already know online which products have, which stores have which products in stock, which ones are profitable. So you can then order them online. You already know what you're getting, and then you're just driving around to your stop by stop and picking up all these products. So if you're already doing retail arbitrage, I'd look into that part of online arbitrage as well, as like, don't waste your time going into a bunch of stores if you don't have to, when you can already do the research online, find these products, and then just go pick them up fast, quick, and easy. Another great thing about this business model is your ability to utilize prep centers, right? And a prep center is essentially a business that will receive your products on your behalf, prep them, and then send them off to Amazon's fulfillment centers on your behalf. This erases a lot of the manual and labor work that you have to do with prepping products, polybagging, stickering all the products, separating them, shipping them out, doing all of that grunt work. If you're someone who's looking for a more kind of remote business, not really hands-on, getting your hands dirty, you can pretty much kind of optimize this business to where you're just finding these deals, having them sent to a prep center and having them sent to Amazon, and then Amazon pretty much handles the rest, right? They're shipping it to the customers, they're handling customer service. So it can become a very scalable business model very quickly without doing a ton of like hard labor, kind of just assembly line type work, right? But yeah, guys, that's pretty much wrapping it up of how online arbitrage works. For those of you who are always commenting, what's OA mean? What's RA mean? That's retail arbitrage and online arbitrage. Essentially the same concept, just one's actually physically in your town and one's online. So I hope this video kind of described these business models. If you're looking to learn more about how to do this, just stay tuned and subscribe to the channel because I put out tons of videos. There's already over 200-300 videos on my channel showing you guys step by step how to actually implement these tactics and strategies and profit from them. So if you're new, go check out my other videos, guys. There's probably 1,000+ hours of free content on my channel to help you guys get started in this business. That's gonna wrap it up. On the next episode of this series, I'm gonna be discussing the business model of private label, so make sure you guys are staying tuned for that one. I'll see you guys then.